दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल स्टूडेंट्स हाउस में। तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं क्लास 9 का चैप्टर फर्स्ट मैटर इन अवर सराउंडिंग्स। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं अपने टॉपिक चेंज ऑफ स्टेट ऑफ मोशन से। वाटर कैन एग्जिस्ट इन 3 states of matter, that is solid ice, liquid water, gas water vapor. On heating, ice melts into water and then converts into water vapors. Change in the physical state of matter can be done in 2 types, by changing the temperature and effect of change of pressure. So हमारे जो टॉपिक है by changing the temperature, उसमें हमारे मेन पॉइंट है melting point, boiling point and sublimation. तो हमारा जो melting point है उससे शुरू करते हैं. The temperature at which a solid melts to form liquid at atmospheric pressure is called its melting point. Melting point of ice is 273.16 Kelvin, 0 degrees Celsius. During melting, the temperature of ice does not rise even though heat is being supplied continuously due to latent heat of fusion. The latent heat of fusion is used up to overcome the forces of attraction between ice particles. At 0 degrees Celsius, energy of water particles is much more than the energy of particles of ice at 0 degrees Celsius. What is latent heat of fusion? Latent heat of fusion, the amount of heat required to change 1 kg of solid to its liquid state as its melting point at atmospheric pressure. What is boiling point? अब हम पढ़ेंगे boiling point के बारे में. The temperature at which a liquid boils to form vapors at atmospheric pressure is called its boiling point. Boiling point of water is 373 Kelvin, means 100 degrees Celsius plus 273 Kelvin is equals to 373 Kelvin. Latent heat of vaporization, the amount of heat required to change 1 kg of liquid to its gaseous state at its boiling point at atmospheric pressure. तो आइए, at 100 degrees Celsius, energy of water vapor is much more than the energy of water at 100 degrees Celsius. At 25 degrees Celsius, water is liquid. At 0 degrees Celsius, water is solid. At 100 degrees Celsius, water is gaseous state, means steam. Now, अब हम पढ़ेंगे sublimation के बारे में. The change of solid directly into vapors on heating and of vapors into solid on cooling without passing through the intervening liquid state is called sublimation. अब हम एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर लिख लेते हैं. When camphor or ammonium chloride is heated in a china dish covered by an inverted funnel with cotton plug in its upper open end, the vapors of ammonium chloride are converted into solid ammonium chloride on coming in contact with the cold inner walls of the funnel. तो ये आपको डायग्राम दिख ही रहा है स्क्रीन पर. सब्लिमेशन ऑफ एमोनियम क्लोराइड, इसे अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिएगा. अगला हमारा जो दूसरा टाइप था वो था हमारा अफेक्ट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ प्रेशर. तो वो है हमारा if we compress a gas in a cylinder, the distance between the particles of gas is reduced and finally gas is liquefied on lowering temperature. तो अब हम पढ़ेंगे अपने नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इवेपोरेशन के बारे में. A surface phenomenon in which liquid changes into vapors at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. अब factors affecting evaporation. Rate of evaporation depends on exposed surface area. First हमारा टॉपिक है इसमें exposed surface area. On increasing surface area of liquid, rate of evaporation increases. Increase in temperature. Second topic है हमारा increase in temperature. Increases kinetic energy of particles, hence rate of evaporation increases. Now हमारा third point है humidity. When the humidity of air, degree of dampness of air is low, evaporation rate is increased. More humidity, less evaporation. अब हमारा फोर्थ पॉइंट है wind. When wind speed increases, rate of evaporation also increases. अब हम पढ़ेंगे अपनी evaporation always causes cooling. The cooling caused by evaporation is based on the fact that when a liquid evaporates, it takes latent heat of vaporization from surroundings which on losing heat get cooled. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर अगर हम लें, when we put acetone on our hand, it gets evaporized by taking heat from our hand and our hand feels cool. So thank you for watching our video.